Chamundi Hills is located 13 kilometers from the city of Mysore. Seen from all the corners of Mysore, Chamundi Hills stand majestically with a height of about 3,489 feet above the sea level. These hills stand about 800 feet above the Mysore city. The Chamundi Hills is a must visit if you are traveling to Mysore. The serene hills are a nature lover's delight, and the temple located on the hills beckons all devotees to its peaceful abode. So ensure you check out this fabulous spot the next time you make your way to Mysore. There is no entrance fees to Chamundi Hills. The Chamundi Hills houses the Sri Chamundeswari Temple, which is open from 7:30 am to 9 pm every day, while darshan and puja inside temple is restricted during lunchtime and at twilight. But please do always check latest timings in Google. The visit duration is estimated to be an hour or two. The best time to visit Chamundi Hills is dawn and dusk. In the late hours of the day during the Dasara festival, a view of Mysore from the top of Chamundi Hills is like a dream that makes you wonder at the immense beauty of the fully lit up city. The Chamundeswari Temple is located at the hilltop. As legends say, goddess Chamundi Devi Chamundeswari killed a demon in this place, and that is how the place got its name. The very ancient Mahabaleshwara Temple is also present in the Chamundi Hills and is a pilgrimage site. Mahabaleshwara is the real name of the Chamundi Hills according to mythology. The sanctum of the temple houses the uniquely posed sculpture of goddess Chamundi Devi. Thank you for watching Showtravel and kindly subscribe for more such travel videos. Thank you.